this now.
After show the people they want more goose, but the mongoose running around fall and broken foot. So you, this mongoose a come past pot. Below the yard and say, your mongoose chop. If you don't have one nigga piece of your food, it's a mongoose on your coat.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mongoose. I really wish time would allow that we're gonna get a full show, but afterwards I'm going to talk to him and sign a management contract and let you know where he'll be appearing next, alright? Tough act to follow, not you. I have a secret for you. There's only one other person, and this is a well-kept secret.